Hello all, welcome to our channel. So any particular Facebook is a creator studio we can convert into business suite option. So how to upload multiple videos, bulk videos on Facebook page. So how many videos is accepting for bulk videos uploading and how you can traffic generate on your particular website. So that is called we have to use your particular Facebook page. Only one video we can upload will be Facebook page option. At a time bulk video uploading purpose, go to Facebook business suite. They can option name is click for more. Here you can upload for bulk videos. In this bulk videos option, here is that at a time upload we can select will be 50 videos. Go to I can remove by one particular date. There is a total videos will be 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 videos are there. Click for upload with the proper title. Click for proper title. After this one, automatically will show will be thumbnail and title. Only description you can write will be using hashtag that your task. Click for more option and editor option will be here. Everything will be click for edit option and click for publish will be here. First of all, finishing for 100%. This is will be done. Click here. One will be options are first of all careful to watch will be here. Here, see this one. So now we add will be here. So here, just copy the title. So title will be MP4 image. After that, you can add your particular description. The description, copy, paste, hold on, fix your thumbnail, upload your default thumbnail, click for show more option. So only one thing we can click for next, video optimization, anything required, then you can go to here or else not required to close here. After that, click for next option, show in feed, show in watch, all onboard or secret video. It's not a secret video to share anyone. Allow the page to post any compulsory playlist will be here. They can add your particular playlist will be into in this particular option. So now click for save. Everyone same. Click for more option. Thing is called only one remember you had to this. Post the content. Click here. Allow it the title and next I don't with the this I'm going to the schedule but 4 p.m. and click for save. So at a time we can how many video adding every video first of all you finish your description. So I don't have requiring for description anything. So compulsory description is a mandatory field. So that is called don't forget your particular description one. Next and publish now. We can go with option name is color and even allow post from the other pages. We can other pages will be also access. See this one. At any time you can share will be this video will be multiple pages also. Click this option, add more posts. Same. Copy and paste it. Next. Compulsory we have to do it. This will across the pages. Compulsory will be here. 1, 2, 3. And save it. So yeah, every option will be mandatory. Next. Save. So click for this. paste it. .mp4, you have to remove it. And the content, paste here. Next it. So why I'm sharing for remaining pages, that will be compulsory important. Save it. More option. Click here. Next. Next. You can share on your pages. Final one video. So that is called bulk video uploading time. You have to require some patience required. Every time one or two videos uploading will be, one is for schedule purpose, one will be here to the scrolling purpose. Click and post will be here. Select your page option. Tag your playlist. Playlist also will be compulsory important. What are the playlists you will be created that you can follow will be here. Click for save and click for publish. At a time, this many videos, total 8 videos are published on your Facebook page option. So they will be take some time to do optimize your particular videos. So this is the method you can follow to upload the bulk videos on your Facebook business page option. So this will be applicable by Instagram, not. This will be upload videos only applicable by the Facebook methodologies. So follow this method to this upload videos on your Facebook page with the description and playlist across pages. Everything will be follow and upload the content. So if any further question, bulk upload videos, please contact my channel. Definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.